Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Open Roblox Studio and load a base plate to work in. You should import or build a simple Medkit model and a 32x32 icon for the GUI so players recognize it. Once done, create a folder in server storage called Medkits to keep items organized. This prevents duplication and helps network replication. Make sure your model has a primary part set and clean collision geometry so scripting and cloning behave predictably when you add behavior next. You now implement pickup and healing logic. Place a script in server script service that clones the medkit from server storage and parents it to workspace when spawned. Use proximity prompt or a touched event to detect player interaction. Proximity prompt is more reliable and network friendly. Next, call a module script to apply a heal amount and enforce cooldowns so players cannot spam healing. Make sure you update the player's UI via remote events to show health change and cooldown feedback. Because the client handles visuals while the server, you finish by wiring GUI, ensuring remote events exist and testing in both play solo and start server with players. Verify that clones replicate from server storage and that the medkit's primary part is assigned so position and welds work. Once done, confirm the GUI shows cooldowns and that health clamps between 0 and max health. If something fails, add prints and use the debugger to trace whether events fire or paths are wrong. This lets you identify a misnamed remote event or incorrect folder path quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.